Alright guys, another repair video on the E60 M5 again today. Now today we've got a nice easy DIY for you guys. Come and have a look at the state of this, look. My side markers, my side indicators, been all yellow, all UV damaged over the last 15 years. So I'm going to change it out for a pair of new ones. Now this is a job I've done on most of the late model BMWs I've owned in recent years. Oh, I say late model, but this thing's like 15 years old now. And it's the newest one I've got out of a lot of them. But anyhow, it looks bloody awful. We're going to change it out for a new pair. Let's go and have a look at the new ones. Now then, what we've got here is two indicators. They're both the same, but they're both different. So why are they different? Well, the one on the left is a genuine, real deal, genuine BMW part. And the one on the right is a OEM part. Now normally, I just go for a pair of OEM ones. I've just had these ordered in from North America. And for some reason most of the part suppliers were all out of stock of the left-hand one OEM ones. So we've got a left-hand genuine, right-hand OEM. So what's the difference? Well, pretty sure they both come out of the same factory. The only difference I can tell is this one's got a part number on top and this one's got a part number but it's been scrolled out. And that's pretty much it. They both look identical apart from them being opposite hand. So if you want to save yourself a bit of money, go for OEM. If you can't get hold of them, go for the genuine. They're both reasonably priced, just one's cheaper than the other. Anyhow, no mind about that, let's get on with it. Okay, so to remove the old one, we're just going to grab hold of it with two hands, slide it to the rear of the car, and just unhook the front of it, under the electrical connector. And then you can see how it's held in place. It's got a spring clip there that just holds it in position, and it hooks in at the front there. So you might want to give the area a quick wipe where the old one's been. And then we're ready to fit the new one. So we're just going to reconnect the electrical connector and then push it against that spring clip towards the rear of the car. Push the front in and that'll just hook in place. There we go. That looks much better. So there we have it, very easy DIY, very satisfying job to get done. If this video has helped you guys out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm MTech Guy, thanks for watching.